Now that we are home in this lockdown period, we are learning different ways of cleaning our jewelry. So if you have pearls, get them out now. So I'm going to teach you how to clean pearls. Pearls are organic materials. This is not a mineral, it's not a metal. So we have to be very careful how we clean it. No abrasive materials, no hard detergents to be used. We are going to take plain water in one. And in the other one, we will put some soap. This water has to be little above room temperature, slightly warm. And in this case, our soap solution should be very, very mild. As you saw, I just put in one drop. With your finger, test the temperature of the water, not hot, not cold. Stir it in slightly. So we have a very mild soap solution. Take a clean napkin, dip it. Do not put your pearl in the solution. Use this napkin to slightly wipe your pearls. Each pearl as you take, turn it around in your napkin and clean it very gently. Do not use anything abrasive, as I said. Even your hand has to be gentle so that we can clean the pearl without spoiling its luster. After this is done, take another clean napkin, dip it in the plain water, and then wipe off the soap solution from each and every pearl. After that is done, leave the pearl out to dry on the napkin, like this. Just leave it to the air till it dries up completely. It should be moisture free before you store it. And how do you store your pearls? Use a soft fabric like this. This is a velvet pouch. It's ideal for storing away pearls. Do not keep any other jewelry with your pearls. We need to maintain them for years to come.